Welcome to our construction take and make. Let's get started. Today's story is Construction Zoo. Up at the zoo, a quiet morning when suddenly, without any warning, what's this? Spinning, roaring, crashing, digging, rolling, growling, smashing. Animals everywhere wake and skitter to see what set the zoo aflitter. Big trucks roll round hills and bends. But are they scary or are they friends? Giraffe just craned his neck to see a yellow truck tall as can be. Its head lifts up into the sky, the perfect height for Giraffe to say, "Hi." Rhino wants to start a fight, then spots a truck, and what a sight! Look at its head, so sharp and tough. This bulldozer is made of sturdy stuff. The monkeys pace all worried antsy. With one swoop, they're happy dancy. Boom! Crash! Everything falls! They're pretty fun, these wrecking walls. Curious elephants can't believe what this machine has up its sleeve. Its trunk can scoop into the ground. It toots a mighty trumpet sound. Giant tortoise wanders close to scout a truck more loaded than most. The dump bumps slowly down the track, its heavy pile safe on its back. Two tiger brothers crouch and spy a cement mixer truck set up nearby. Its striped back spins and rolls all day, just like the cubs' backs when they play. Tumbling down hills, digging with snouts, running and stretching and making wild shouts. Trucks and animals two by two. It's party time at Construction Zoo. Then one afternoon, the sight gets slow. The trucks pack up and roll and go. It's quiet now up at the zoo. The animals aren't sure what to do. But here comes Zookeeper, one bright ribbon, a pair of scissors, and a crowd of guests with him. A snip, a cheer, construction is done. And now the zoo is twice the fun. The end. Time to get started on our construction zone craft. So for this craft, you're going to open up your kit and you'll find a piece of cardstock with the top half of a dump truck and the bottom half of a dump truck. You're going to find assorted paint. So there's two paints in there. They're just random colors that went out. So you got whatever you got. And then we have two black dots and two smaller white dots. There's also a fastener here. And in addition to this, you're going to need a paintbrush if you have one, scissors, and a glue stick or glue dots, whatever you like best, because we're going to be gluing the tires on. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is start by painting our truck. So I added two different color paints in there, so you can paint two different colors if you wanted. You don't have to do that. You can paint it all one color. You can use crayons, you can use colored pencils, you can use markers. If you have paint at home and you want to make your truck pink, feel free to go and grab whatever colors you want for that. But for this, I'm going to use the paint I have here, and I'm going to start by painting my truck here. It does not need to be perfect, okay? Because, look, we can go outside the lines a little bit, because we are going to be cutting it out with our scissors. I'm going to try not to get my window there, and I'm going to paint my truck. Like I said, it's okay if you go outside the lines, and it's okay if you hit the tires too, because we are going to be painting over that as well. I mean, not painting, we're going to be gluing over that. So you don't need to worry too much about that. So it's going to be a little messy, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm avoiding my window. If you paint your window, fine, that's awesome. If you want to paint it a different color that you have at home, cool. Okay, but really it's a simple, quick splash of paint on there. Now it's time to switch to the top half of our dump truck. So you're going to take your other color, whatever color you choose, and like I said, you can paint outside the lines. If you want to paint a design on here, that's really cool. You're just going to do a nice thing of paint, a coat of paint on here. Now you may notice, I should have mentioned this, there's little holes in the bottom part of your trucks. That is because we're going to stick the fastener through there, so don't worry about that. You can paint right over there. Now we're going to wait for this paint to dry. While it's drying, we're going to do a little bit of a song. This song is to the tune of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. You're going to look over here, and instead of animals, you're going to see tools. And I'm going to show you some moves on how to dance along to the song, okay? Here we go. Old MacDonald had some tools, E-I-E-I-O. And with those tools he had a hammer, E-I-E-I-O. With a bang bang here and a bang bang there, here a bang, there a bang, everywhere a bang bang. Old MacDonald had some tools, E-I-E-I-O. And with those tools he had a screwdriver, E-I-E-I-O. With a twist twist here and a twist twist there, here a twist, there a twist, everywhere a twist twist. Old MacDonald had a screwdriver, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some tools, E-I-E-I-O. And with those tools he had a drill, E-I-E-I-O. With a buzz buzz here and a buzz buzz there, here a buzz, there a buzz, everywhere a buzz buzz. Old MacDonald had some tools, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some tools, E-I-E-I-O. And with those tools he had some pliers, E-I-E-I-O. With a pinch pinch here and a pinch pinch there, here a pinch, there a pinch, everywhere a pinch pinch. Old MacDonald had some tools, E-I-E-I-O. Now your paint should be dry, but if it isn't, we're going to move on to something different. We're going to make our tires. Very simple. All we need is our glue stick. We're going to open up our glue stick, or like I said, you can use regular Elmer's glue if you have glue dots, even if you want to use tape. You're just going to do a dot of glue here and here, and then we're going to add the little white circles to the middle to make our tires. And there we go. Now that you've painted everything and your paint is all dry, I want you to have an adult help you cut out your truck and cut out the top of your dump truck. So for the truck, you can cut straight across here. You don't need to worry about the bottom half. Just cut along this line. And when you cut these both out, we'll move on to the next step. That the paper part of your truck kind of curved up because of the paint after cutting it out. You can just curl it back and gently fold it, and it should take back a more flat shape. So then once that's all set up, you're going to move on and take your tires and you're going to glue the top half of the tire. No need to glue the bottom half because it's just going to go on like this. And the same is going to go for the other tire. Now the last thing we have to do is we have to take our fastener. You're going to take the pointy side and stick it through the hole made on the top half of your dump truck. Then you're going to take that and stick it through the hole on the bottom half of your dump truck. Once your fastener is in, you're going to flip it over and you're going to fold it down so that you could turn it like this. And when you flip it over, you have a little dump truck. I hope you guys had fun with this craft and this story time. This is the last of the series for the fall, but we're going to be continuing the take and make crafts in the winter. So I hope you sign up. Bye!